you my new air frying miniature oven. So this is a really great item to have for your kitchen for all kinds of cooking needs. So this can toast, dehydrate, and air fry all kinds of stuff. It comes with step-by-step instructions. As you can see, it's a pretty sleek design. It doesn't take up too much space on your counter. It plugs into a wall outlet just like any other. And what's fun is it comes with a little recipe book and of course step-by-step instructions to help you get set up. So it's super simple. I'm going to show you really quickly. It has handy dandy tools that tell you general information like French fries, what kind of temperature you should be looking at, and the amount of time. So it's super easy to use. In terms of accessories, you do have an air frying pan, which is going to be great for frying those items, a wire rack, a standard sliding pan, and another pan to insert. So all of these come with your oven. It does have a light so you can look in. We'll turn it on here. So once I hit my light button, I can see what's cooking. And then of course you can hit, it's got the French fry thing going right now, pizza, bread, cake, chicken, steak, all kinds of things so that you can select your time. I'm going to go ahead and heat it up to 450 and I'm going to show you how to cook some fries. So it beeps when it is complete. As you can see, it just finished up. It says off, which means it is ready to go. I'm going to open this up. It is cooling off. I'm going to grab my take it out because it will be hot. And just look at how crisp those fries are. It's, oh my gosh. They're like they were deep fried. They are going to be super, super nice and crisp. They're super hot. Oh my God. These are so much better than making them in the oven. So, hope you enjoy this. I know I'm going to be using this so much with chicken, fries, toaster, all kinds of great options for cooking in your home.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is our new Cuisinart Classic Toaster Oven Broiler. It's a really generous size, but it takes up just a little bit of space on your countertop. The exterior is a combination in the front of stainless, and also the knobs have a soft grip material on it. You have a full function for toasting, also called out bagel feature, broiling, and also regular baking. When you open the door, you notice how the rack comes out automatically. It assists you so that when you're putting things in there, like when we're going to toast, it helps you out so you can keep your hands free to do other things. So you'll notice we can fit 4 nice generous pieces of toast in there. We close the lid, and it also pushes the rack in for you so you don't have to. The other thing that it has is a removable crumb tray, which we just pull the bottom out here, like so. And it's really important to keep your crumb tray clean, so it's right in the front, easy access, so you have, you're reminded to do it, often. The other thing is that it has a baking and broiling rack, which is removable. And then the start button works when you're using your toasting features. But when you set the other functions, it automatically starts for you. It also has an auto off feature. And the other thing that's really nice about it, it's generous inside, so you can put a whole chicken. You can also put an 11-inch pizza. It's 1800 watts, so you get really great baking, broiling, and toasting functions out of this classic toaster oven broiler.
Introducing the latest in our line of air fryer ovens, the GoWISE USA Air Fryer Oven Ultra. This brand new appliance comes in 2 sleek colors and has a capacity of 12.7 quarts to let you cook for the whole family. Use one of 11 preset programs to take the guesswork out of cooking as you make fries, wings, steak, vegetables, and much more. Or take full control of your cooking experience with manual mode. Adjust time and temperature with ease using our intuitive digital display. The Ultra's oven light and glass panel let you monitor your food to your desired level of doneness. Dinner is ready when you are using our delay start and keep warm modes. Includes 11 accessories to help you fry, roast, toast, bake, or even dehydrate to your heart's content. We'll even throw in a recipe book to help you get started. With the GoWISE USA Air Fryer Oven Ultra, your only limitation is your imagination. What will you make?